friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make an origami mouse which I designed. I love this mouse because it's really quirky, it has a little bit of a weird shape that you wouldn't think is a mouse, but it's a mouse. But before we begin, to become a crafty friend, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be notified when new crafty fun comes out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami mouse, you're going to need a square sheet of paper and also a red utensil to draw in the eyes, the nose, and the whiskers of the mouse. So you're going to take your square sheet of paper and flip it around so that the color side is facing down. And now we want to fold the entire thing in half diagonally. Unfold, rotate, and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. Unfold. And now let's align this bottom tip to the center crease right over there. Fold that up and crease it in. Now we're going to align this top point to the bottom side. So fold it straight down, crease it in. Unfold. And now take the crease that you just made and align it to the bottom. So you're going to fold it down. Make sure that this crease aligns with the bottom side and crease it in. And now we want to repeat the same thing at the very top. So take the tip, fold it to the center crease, crease that in. Fold the tip to the top side. Unfold. Align the crease you just made to the top side. Crease that in. So now we're going to work at this top right section over here, and we're going to fold this part diagonally so that it creates a point at the right side. So crease that in. Do the same thing on the left. So I'm going to rotate, fold diagonally, and make a tip. And then do the same thing over here and over here as well. So fold it over diagonally, make a tip, and crease it in. Finally, we're going to work on this side. Fold it over, make a tip, crease that in. So now let's flip the entire thing around, and we're going to take this bottom section and we're going to fold it up as far as it'll allow you to go. So just at this triangle point right here. Fold that down and crease it in. Then take this tip and fold it to the bottom side. So fold it straight down, crease that in. Now we're going to take this tip and fold it over, and you want to fold it over so that it goes past this vertical crease. And then take that and slip it underneath this opening right here. Do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this tip, fold it past this side, and then slip it in. Next, fold the entire thing around along the length. And then we want to work on this left side here, and we're going to fold it at a diagonal. So I'm going to fold it right at this point at the very bottom. Fold it at a diagonal to how you kind of want your mouse to be shaped. It's a little quirky, and I think it's kind of cute that way. So once you have that shape, you're going to crease it in, unfold, and then you're going to open it up like that and push inwards along those two creases that you just made. So you're going to push in like this, and then crease it in. Now we want to open this part up, flatten, and then take this flap and align it to that vertical crease. So you're going to fold it over diagonally And this is going to create the mouse's tail. Fold it up, align it to the center, and crease it in. Then fold this flap over and flatten. So now let's flip it around, and we're going to make a crease over here as well. So you're going to take this flap, fold it up, and crease that in, and then fold it back down. So that makes that little crease right there, which is going to help the mouse stand up on its own. So now we're going to take our Sharpie or our pen and decorate. And you're done with your little mouse. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun making that quirky origami mouse. If you're not a crafty friend already, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post new videos every single Saturday, so be sure you check back next week as well to see what I have in store. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!